Hey everybody! This is my unboxing video for the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium. This model starts at $999 US for the basic 128GB version and goes up to $1499 US for the max storage of 1TB. It also comes with this new braided USB-C charging cable that feels really nice and premium. But do remember that this is just the charging cable and only transmits data at USB 2.0 speeds. So if you want to take advantage of USB 3 transfer speeds, you'll need to get a USB-C to USB-C Pro cable. Apple sells one for $69 US, but I found a good quality OWC one on Amazon for $34 US. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let's get to the unboxing for the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium. So that's my unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium. You can also check out my unboxing video for the winter blue silicone case as well if you enjoy that sort of thing. Link in the iCard and description below. Which iPhone model did you get? Do you think the iPhone 15 Pro is a great upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech videos, including tech how-tos. See you in the next one.